Hi, once again, Eric Fennar from Buffalo, New York, and this time at my grandma's house, Layla's great-grandma. So, Grandma, this is the insulin I was telling you about, okay?
Oh, yeah?
For my diabetes.
Really amazing.
Okay, so watch this. I don't know if you can see that. It's real small, right?
My gosh.
Isn't this awesome? So remember the shots I used to have to do?
Yes.
When I got diabetes? So this is
now
it
you
now.
don't have to. You used to carry it on your body, though, right?
All that stuff. So this is how easy it is now.
Oh, my
Watch, ready?
God. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, I'm so happy, honey.
Isn't that awesome? So that right there, so now I can eat all your food here. All your Italian breads and specialties. I can eat it all.
Why, you couldn't eat before?
Well, before I could. But
yes,
my blood sugar would always go a little bit higher.
Oh.
You know?
And by eating all this, if it doesn't, it's
normal. So now when I eat all your good food here, this insulin, the Afrezza, it fights the carbohydrates right away. So I don't get those high blood sugars anymore.
Oh.
Not that they were super high, but they were still higher than they should have been.
You
now I can, maintain a flat line. It's much healthier. Isn't this awesome?
It's wonderful. Even for you not to have I remember you used to carry.
Yeah, and the shots. Most diabetics do the shots.
Yeah, what was the one on the body?
The pump.
You still have that?
I have that for my basal. I use the pump for my basal still.
Oh.
I get a little bit of insulin every hour, but now every time I eat, I use Afrezza.
Oh, but you still have that other stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but this is awesome,
do away
isn't
with
it?
that someday?
Maybe. Time will tell.
Oh.
But for now, I still have it.
Oh.
Eric Fennar coming from his grandma's house. One small step for mankind. All diabetics will have giant steps with Afrezza. Thank you, Ailman.